hagati y'abahamas n'aba Israel ubu Israel iriko yongera kwambagaza izobere ku izuba ryo rwa mukaga ubwo abahekera baba Hamas batandika Orutaro inamba y'aba Israel abafire yahika 12 ahita urugambira izoberi kandi umuhendo gw'aba Palestine abafire gwahika rwenda Israel irugumeza muri kutera Gaza irukosa bomo na ninyonye ndwanyi Hamas bagira ngo babiri aha bakuru babo bisuruwe kandi baba mahega Israel bagira ngo imitumbi y'aba Hamas 15 y'ababiri babatahirire niyo ibintu we Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu yagira ngo koko amahega Israel gakwasaga inyeshonga yo kubarumba harwa mukaga nicoreka ukiyumukire Orutaro uramare hekose cye cy'abasalamu ekirahenure amahanga ga Middle East amahanga minja gande gatabarize uko abantu babo bacambiruye kandi abandi bakibuzire muri Brazil, Cambodia, Canada, Ireland, Mexico, Nepal, Panama, Paraguay, Russia, Sri Lanka, Thailand na Ukraine.
They have just jihad machine to kill everybody without weapons, without nothing, just normal citizens that want to take their breakfast and that's all. And they kill them and they cut some of their heads. It's an aggressive thing to see. It's very difficult to see it. But we must remember who is the enemy and what our mission. Our mission is the justice. We're in the right side and all the world needs to be behind us.
Aharuku banza ba Hamas bakaraganisa gumana bita abantu abahambere burushaha aba Israel batero mwanya gwa Gaza batabagambire president wa France agizire ngo ticishikire okurigije ha government ya Lagos aba Nigeria bishatu bayakira unyonyi kurga Jordan bakunga Israel aho bayabagire kuramaga okurigije ha Lozin Jogu Abanyakenya abakiri muri Israel nibabafaho kantine wisirwe ningasho wahutaziwe kandi ogu nagira ngo batahonane namba z'esimu ez'Abanyakenya bakubasa kutera babanu bendo biyambi. Israel ehambire ciceka cya Gaza cona yacegarezo mu ngaro dero yasharaho buhereza bono bw'amashanyarazi ebyo kurya amashita na namizi. Ecicweke kintu kituruwa mu bantu abarukushika miliyoni 2.30. Ekitongore cy'amahanga geterene cyagira ngo hati abantu barukurenga emitwaro 260 abari mu Gaza tubakine buturo ngo kandi bariyo nibirukira mu mashamiro agekitongore eki cyatandikiraho. Mohamed Gonem umushaho Al-Shifa Hospital yagira ngo ibyo kusanka oxygen biyo nibigwaho kandi n'aba Palestine 15 betirwa mu West Bank. Aha bwa Sky TV ndebeti na yebare agenshonga.